In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate as a team on PowerPoint. Working together efficiently on a PowerPoint presentation can really streamline your team's efforts, especially when everyone is on the same page. Let me guide you through the process step by step to ensure a seamless collaboration experience. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version installed to take advantage of all the collaborative features we'll be exploring today. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the presentation you'd like to work on with your team. If you're starting from scratch, you can open a new presentation and build together from there. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled Share. This button is your gateway to Teamwork Magic. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will present you with several options on how you might want to share your document. It's important to utilize this feature as it allows you to send your presentation to colleagues, friends, or anyone you want to collaborate with on the project. Upon clicking share, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to send your presentation. You have the option to send it as a PowerPoint presentation or as a PDF. This choice can really depend on how you plan to use the presentation. If you want to allow others to edit and contribute content directly, sending it as a PowerPoint presentation would be the most beneficial. On the other hand, if you're looking for feedback or a more formal review, a PDF might be appropriate as it ensures your format remains consistent and uneditable. Once you've decided on the format, PowerPoint will route you to Outlook. This integration is particularly handy as it permits you to email your presentation directly to your teammates. If you haven't already configured your Outlook, make sure it's set up and ready to go so the process is smooth. This email option allows you to include a personal message, maybe some instructions or insights before sending it off. It's a great way to keep things personal and clear. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily share your PowerPoint presentations and collaborate effectively with your team. Remember, good communication and accessibility are key factors in unlocking the full potential of team efforts in PowerPoint. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and I hope it makes your next collaborative presentation a breeze.